Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening
Back in my bag, yo.
po sa inyo lahat, to everyone
Conscious.
watching.
Diamond. Back in my bag.
Today is May,
For real. When we was
ano
down,
ba ngayon, May
we
14,
had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering
12, 13, 14. Yeah, May 14, day 28 na po tayo, day 28 na. Let's go.
Dark skin, brown skin, caramel. You know I had to bring it to the hood. Like
Time check, it's 5:30, maliwanag na maliwanag ng 5:30. So, I need to adjust.
like we here, we and we ride.
May yung oras ko ng ride ko, siguro dapat 5 o'clock pa lang ride out na ako.
Back low, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back.
Anyway,
Like Tommy. Back in my
ayan,
back flow. Back in my
medyo
back in my bag, yo.
ang gising naman natin medyo okay naman.
I'm back in my this my back in my bag flow. Again, yeah, we keep
Di naman ako nahirapang gumising. My legs are alright. I don't know, tignan natin kung makakailan tayo ngayon. 20, 30, 40.
steady going up like a travel plan. Homer Simpson phase, lucky power plant. Yeah, I'm off that dope. In the busy at the millies, I don't club her.
Hindi.
The word if it's a city, look
From day... Sige, tignan natin kung ano ba ngayon. Depende sa conditioning natin pagdating doon sa ating pag nakaka 10 kilometers na tayo, doon natin kasi doon akong malalaman kung is this ride is going to be fun or not. Ganun lang yun kasi feeling ko lang is fatigue is really it's catched up already. Nakahabol na yung fatigue sa akin. Actually, medyo pagod na yung talagang katawan natin for 30 days na straight, for 28 days na straight. Pero hindi naman masyadong factor kasi hindi naman tayo na every time naka high intensity So marami naman tayo mga recovery ride, yung mga partial ride. Kaya lang kasi minsan yung kung ano pa yung partial ride, yun yung nakakapagod. Kasi just to give you an idea, pag ikaw mabagal ka, mas lalong masakit sa katawan, masakit sa puwet, masakit sa kamay, kaysa sa pag ikaw mabilis. Pag mabilis ka, ang sasakit lang sa'yo yung legs mo, pero mawawala din siya kaagad. Compare dun sa pag mabagal ka na, yung mga masakit sa'yo hindi ka agad nawawala. Well, anyway, day 28. Here we go. Let's go. Yan, as usual, pasok na tayo dito sa ating spot. Sa ating track. Yan, yung weather now, it's mahangin siya pero mainit na yung hangin niya. Hindi na malamig. Pero mararamdaman mo pa rin yung a bit of a morning breeze. Pero other than that, mainit na yung hangin. Hindi pa ganun kainit pero ramdam mo yung hangin wala nang lamig. Yun, nandito na tayo. Eto na naman tayo, wala na naman tayong masabi. Malakas yung hangin ngayon. Mahangin. Pag gantong mahangin kasi, palakas ng palakas yan hanggang mamaya. Ang bilis magliwanag. Oh shucks, lakas na ng hangin. Ayun, day 27, 28, day 28 na. Minsan nalilito na ako dyan sa day na yun. Pang ilang araw na ba tayo May mga naka-line up tayo ng mga challenges for me. So, share ko sa inyo later on once matapos natin yung 30-day challenge. And yun nga, until now hindi pa rin tayo nakapag hanap ng ano,
My bag, yo.
ng
Conscious.
hospital or ng doctor na makapag-opera sa mata natin.
My bag and I gotta brag.
But I'll start
For real. When we was down and we
looking
had
for
nothing, we
that.
had to share a meal. We put the shit
Plus,
in overdrive with no
go
steering
day
wheel.
28.
Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of heels. Yeah, she be riding on that
Yun.
thing like a Ferris wheel. Yeah,
So far, nakaka 10 kilometers na tayo.
caramel, you know I had to bring it to
Okay
the
naman.
hood. Like she Karen Civil when
Not
she
bad.
gon' turn her head, 'cause when she walk that thing, jiggle, jiggle. We going back to back.
But still not sure if we'll do more than 20. Labas na rin yung araw, tapos sobrang hangin. Although small stretch lang naman yung mahangin. Di ko alam bakit masakit ulit yung tiyan ko kagaya kahapon. Parang ano yung sinisikmura ba? Oh. Ayan. Ang aga lumabas ng araw, so we really need to adjust our time. Kailangan natin aga-agaan pa yung paglabas kasi ganyan naabutan tayo ng araw talaga kung we're going to do a longer ride. So imagine 10 kilometers pa lang to pero andyan na yung araw. Kasi kahit pa yung araw na yan eh, hindi naman harmful pero malakas pa rin makahiting yan. Nakakalimutan ko na naman yung smartwatch. Anyway, yun. Ang kalaban talaga natin yung hangin. Pero although nga gaya nga sabi ko, konti lang naman tong part na mahangin. Kailangan natin paglabanan yan. It's part of it anyway. Kasama naman sa mga training yan na mahangin. Pero yung ano ko talaga yung tiyan ko hindi ko alam, parang kung sinuntok sa tiyan. Yun. Tingnan natin kung anong meron sa 20 kilometers. Malay mo, we will do 30. But for now, 20 kilometers is I think okay for me for now. So, let's go. Ayan, so we are done with day 28. 20 kilometers na kasi nahirapan na huminga. Para talaga sinisikmura ako, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Anyway, bawi na lang tayo sa mga susunod na araw. As usual, puro bawi. Ayan, na-exit na tayo. Kanina lang na ano ko, may dumaan na kotse. Sabi ko, naninigarilyo. Pag-amoy ko, sabi ko, uy, parang ano parang masarap yung pagkakaamoy ko doon sa sayosi niya. Kasi before, nung ako'y nasa corporate world pa, sa umaga yan, lalo na pag malamig. Umaga, pagising mo, ay, exit na pala tayo dito. Pagising mo, yosi, at kape. Oo, napakasarap ng feeling nun. Pero kasi, I quit smoking just even before the pandemic, so siguro, hindi na ako naninigarilyo mga 6-7 years na ako naninigarilyo ganyan. So wala lang, na-share ko lang kasi kanina parang yung it brings back yung memories ba dahil bigla na amoy ko yung yosin. Anyway, we will not go to that old habit, bad habits. So right now, kasi hindi na tayo bumabata, kaya dapat alagaan ang katawan, ang kalusugan dahil nagkakaedad na po, marami na sumasakit. And good thing naman, I don't have any any maintenance or any pre-existing or any condition at all. Hindi, wala akong hypertension, hindi ako high blood. Hindi mataas ang blood sugar ko. Although some are borderline. Ang pinaka-issue ko lang talaga yung aking mata. Well, it will be fixed soon. Kaya talagang ano, mahirapan ako uminga dahil doon sa sinisikmura nga ako. Parang alam mo yung parang sinistok ka. Ano? Dahil hindi ko alam kung nasutok na kayo sa sigmura. Kung sinikmurahan ka ba? Yun, gano'n ang feeling kaya. Ang hirap huminga. Anyway, ayan, that's that. Balik na tayo sa bahay. Let's go. See you at home. Yan na, home sweet home na tayo. Grabe, ang taas na kagad ng araw. It's only 6:22. Grabe. Ayun. So hanggang dito na lang ang ating video for today. Ang ating ride for today. Day 28 is done. 20 kilometers lang. Tapos thank you Lord for the safe ride. Thank you sa mga nakaabot dito, subscribers natin, mga members, thank you, and mga viewers. Yung mga hindi pa po na-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang po. Maraming salamat po. Hey, hirap. Nahirapan ako huminga talaga hanggang ngayon. Pero yun nga, 28, 29, 30. So 2 more days and pwede na tayo mag-relax. Although, sabi ko nga, 30 days is not the end of it. So I wanted to push myself kung gaano kahaba ba ang kaya kong gawin na streak. But again, medyo papahirapan natin sarili natin ng konti. On day 31, yan, dyan tayo mag-start ng puro 30 kilometers na, no more 20 kilometers. Ayun. So, hanggang dito na lang until tomorrow, day 29. So if you find this entertaining, interesting, and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. See ya.
For real, when we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of heels. Yeah, and she be riding on that thing like a Ferris wheel. Yeah, I love them dark skin, brown skin, caramel. You know I had to bring it to the hood like she Karen Civil when she keep on turning head. Cause when she walk that thing jiggle, jiggle. And we going back to back on them like we Huey and we Riley. This that back in my back flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back flow. Back in my, yeah, back in my bag, yeah.